Today we will find out the inverse ABCD parameter of the two-port network. Okay, inverse ABCD parameter. Here you can see the diagram, which we have 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, and this is V1 and this is V2. So to find out the ABCD inverse ABCD parameter, so we will solve by using mesh analysis. Here you can see there is a two loop. This is loop 1 and this is loop 2. Okay, so for the mesh 1, okay, so before starting to solve the ABCD parameter of inverse ABCD parameter, the formula of the inverse ABCD parameter is given like this: V2 is equal to A dash V1 plus B dash I in bracket I1, and I2 is equal to C dash V1 plus D dash in bracket minus I1. Okay, so this is the formula of the inverse ABCD parameter. Okay, so applying KVL to mesh 1, this is the mesh 1, loop 1 we can also say. So V1 is equal to I1 into 1, which is we have I1 plus 2, this is 2, in bracket we'll write the two mesh I1 plus I2. Okay, now solving this equation we get V1 is equal to 3I1 plus 2I2. Okay, so this is the equation for the loop 1. Okay, now we will solve loop 2. This is loop 2. Okay, so we get V2 is equal to I2 into I1, which we will get I2 plus 2 in bracket I2 plus I1. Okay, so now solving this equation we get V2 is equal to 2I1 plus 3I2. Okay, so this is the simple way to find out the voltage by using mesh analysis. Okay, you can see also a Z parameter in my previous video. Okay, now to find out the inverse ABCD parameter you have to remember this formula. Okay, now you can see we get two equation, which is V1 is equal to 3I1 plus 2I2 and V2 is equal to 2I1 plus 3I2, and the formula of the inverse ABCD parameter is V2 is equal to A dash V1 minus B dash I1, I2 is equal to C dash V1 minus D dash I1. Okay, now what are the similarities of this equation by comparing this? So you can see that this equation 1, this equation 1 is similar to this equation. Okay, so now from equation 1 we will rearranging term I2, V1 and I1. Okay, so from this equation 2I2 we will write a 2I2 as, because in inverse ABCD formula of the is given as I2. Okay, so first we write here 2I2 is equal to V1 minus 3I1. Okay, 2I2 is equal to V1 minus 3I1 from the equation 1. Okay, now simply writing as I2 is equal to 1 by 2 V1, this 2 will be come here. Okay, so 1 by 2 V1 minus 3 by 2 I1. Okay, so we get which equation? C dash and D dash we can get from this equation. Okay, now we know that we have find out the I2 is equal to 1 by 2 V1 minus 3 by 2 I1. Now this value will put in this equation 2. Okay, you can see that what is the value of equation 2 is V2 is equal to 2I1 plus 3I2. We put this value in this equation. Okay, so V2 is equal to 2I1 plus 3 into 1 by 2 V1 minus 3 by 2 I1. Solving this we get V2 is equal to 3 by 2 V1 minus 5 by 2 I1. Okay, now last step to find out the value of ABCD, inverse ABCD parameter. We have find the value of V2 also and I2. Now from this equation the value of A dash is 3 by 2 Okay, value of b dash is 5 by 2. How we have find this? By comparing the formula of ABCD parameter. Now value of c dash is 1 by 2 and value of d dash is 3 by 2. So this is the way to find out the inverse ABCD parameter. Okay.